Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your American Express travel card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your American Express travel card, start by ensuring you have your card handy. Locate the 15-digit card number on the front of the card. Next, visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. On the home page, look for the Account Services section. Click on Activate Card to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your 15-digit card number. Carefully input the expiration date of your card. Next, provide the security code found on the back of the card. If you've set up an online account, you may need to log in. If you haven't created an account, select the option to register. Fill in your personal information as requested. Follow the prompts to create a username and password. After registering or logging in, confirm your card details. Once everything is submitted, you'll receive a confirmation message. Your card is now activated and ready for use. Remember to store your card in a safe place. Explore the benefits and features that come with your American Express travel card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.